All right, guys, here we go again. We are now on the back side of lesson 22, and we are going to work on problem number 3. Remember, if you want to do 2 and you want to do 4, it will earn an extra stone for your group. However, we are tonight only asking you to do, or required to do number 3, and we are doing both A and B. Brian says that only even numbers are composite. Only even numbers are composite. Okay. Let me see. This is a little bit different than what we did in class because it wants to know which numbers are composite, which a composite means that it is made up of factors of more than just one and itself. And it says that only even numbers are composite. We know that all even numbers, aside from 2, are composite because it would be 1 in that number and then 2 in some other number. For example, 26. We would have 1 in 26, 2 in 13. In this case, it wants us to now list all of the odd numbers less than 20 in numerical order. Numerical means in number order from least to greatest. Okay? So list all the odd numbers less than 20 in numerical order. Well, let's just start here. We'll start with 1 is an odd number. This is a number that can't be split into 2 equal groups. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and now we see our pattern. So numbers that end in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9 are going to be odd. So let's go from here. From 9 we can go to 11. We're in our 10s now. In our 13 and 15 and 17 and 19. And we want to be less than 20. So we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. And we know that some of those are in fact prime. But Brian is saying that only even numbers can be composite. So do we see any composite numbers in here? Well, we know that 1 is not. We know that 3 is not. 5, let me see, 1 and 5. 7, 1 and 7. 9, 1 and 9, and 3 times 9. So 1 times 9. So if we go down here, we're now going to say that 9, 1, 3, and 9, because 1 times 9 equals 9, and 3 times 3 equals 9. So we have 9 as proof. Can we find further proof? Well, 11, 1 and 11 can't be 2, can't be 3, can't be 4, can't be 5. Okay. 13, again, start at 1, 1 and 13, 2 and no, 3 and no, 4 and no. Okay. 15, it ends in a 5, so we know that 5 will be a factor. So we also have, 15 has factors of 1, not 2, but 3, 3 and 5, 1 and 15. So 1 times 15, or 3 times 5. Use your list to show that Brian's claim is false. And as we know, Mr. Brian is a filthy liar. Or maybe he just made a mistake. Because that's an easy mistake to make, isn't it? We know that all composite numbers are made up of multiple factors. And we know that all even numbers, except for 2, are made up of multiple factors. So it makes sense to think that all composite numbers are only even. But we can easily, counting by 5s or counting by 3s, we can find numbers that are odd and are composite. All right, guys, best of luck tonight. See you tomorrow. If you have any questions, make sure that you ask me. Thank you.